What is Angular? Angular is a popular open-source web application framework maintained by Google. It is used for develop dynamic single-page web applications, SPAs, and web applications with rich UX design, interactive user interfaces. Angular is written in TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript that adds static typing and other features to the language. Key features of Angular include two-way data binding. Angular provides two-way data binding, which means that changes in the model state are automatically reflected in the view, and vice versa, without the need for manual DOM manipulation. Component-based architecture. Angular applications are built using reusable components that encapsulate the logic and UI elements of the application. Dependency injection. Angular's dependency injection system allows for the management of application dependencies and facilitates testing and modular development. Directives. Angular provides a rich set of built-in directives that extend HTML with additional functionality, such as data binding, event handling, and DOM manipulation. Routing. Angular's built-in router allows developers to define navigation paths and manage application state, enabling the creation of SPAs with multiple views. HTTP client. Angular includes an HTTP client module for making HTTP requests to backend services, enabling communication with servers to fetch and send data. Forms. Angular provides support for both template-driven forms and reactive forms, making it easy to work with forms and handle user input. Testing. Angular applications are designed to be testable, with built-in support for unit testing and end-to-end testing using tools